As customers, we have grown used to paying for goods instantly and not having to worry about security. Blockchains are finding this a little more difficult. But AMP, via its AMP token, is using collateralization to ensure network users do not have to compromise on either speed or security. The collateral token only launched at the end of 2020, but it has come a long way. There are already more than 40,000 locations using the network, and its token has begun to see success. So, is collateral the future of payment, and can we make an AMP price prediction? There is a conundrum in the crypto world as to whether to prioritize speed or security. Security is necessary to ensure every transaction is safe, while speed is crucial to roll out a blockchain to the masses. AMP's solution to this is collateralization. Users can stake cryptocurrency with every transaction to guarantee the transaction will go through. AMP was launched by Tyler Spalding, the founder of Flexa Network. It is built on the Flexa network and has listed two main uses. Merchants can integrate Flexa and stake AMP to ensure payments are settled in real time. Meanwhile, AMP can be used by individuals for safe and speedy transfers of their own assets. As blockchain's user bases continue to grow, there will be a growing need for a scalable and secure platform. Investors are starting to recognize the innovative concept from AMP. The white paper AMP, a digital collateral token to enable immediate settlement of payment transactions, was published in November 2020 and is 35 pages long. The white paper states, within distributed tokenized financial networks, AMP serves as a medium for accruing value while aligning the incentives of all participants. This is achieved via virtuous feedback loops of increasing spending capacity coupled with a non-inflationary reward distribution. Fundamental economic models are derived to demonstrate that AMP functions as low-volatility collateral, with its value compounding exclusively as a result of the utility it provides. The document goes on to say, by enabling decentralized ownership and participation in financial networks, applications built on AMP can become orders of magnitude more cost-efficient than existing systems, and help eliminate the overwhelming deadweight loss of traditional social and economic structures for financial transactions. The collateral token launched at $0.009 on September 11, 2020, and did not have much success in its first few months. By the end of September it had fallen to $0.006, and it dropped even lower to $0.003 on October 31, 2020. It was not until February 2021 that AMP saw its first rally. This was partly driven by the bullish crypto market at the time, although the token did also see a listing on DeFi platform Cream Finance on February 10. In the next 3 days, AMP surged to 3 cents. The token did correct slightly after that but managed to sustain above the 1 cent level. It saw its next breakout on April 18, 2021, when it raced to 6 cents. AMP revealed it was seeing strong demand for the token following its listing on the liquidity platform Bancor. May 2021 proved to be an even more exciting month for the collateral token. On May 5, AMP announced users could borrow and lend the token on the DeFi app Yield. 2 days later, Dogecoin was added as a payment method on the Flexa network. By May 8, AMP had climbed to 7 cents. The following month, AMP saw its biggest breakout to date. The collateral token was listed on Coinbase for users to buy and sell. This fueled the token's all-time high of 12 cents on June 16, 2021. AMP saw a significant correction after its new price record, and by the end of the month it had dropped back down to 5 cents. It stooped even lower to the 4 cents mark in mid-July. But the token eventually saw another rally after Binance US made the coin available to its users. On July 28, 2021, the day that was announced, AMP climbed back to 7 cents. Over the next few months, the price of AMP gradually fell and by October it had dropped below 5 cents. Its next breakout followed the announcement that Binance was listing the token to all its users on November 23, 2021. The token jumped to 7 cents on the day of the announcement but eventually crashed back to 4 cents. AMP has largely been stuck in a bearish trend since, although it managed to climb slightly to 5 cents on January 3, 2022, when asset manager Grayscale announced an AMP fund. However, this had very little effect on the token and the coin continued on a downtrend, hitting lows of $0.02102 on April 18, 2022, the lowest value recorded in over a year. The token fell further, trading below the 1 cent mark by mid-June. As of June 23, 2022, AMP is currently trading at $0.00935. The cryptocurrency has a market cap of around $400 million, making it the 79th largest crypto by that metric. It's a mixed set of forecasts for AMP, with some analysts expecting success and others predicting that a downfall is imminent. On the one hand, Wallet Investor says AMP is a bad investment and predicts it will lose most of its value over the year. The site's AMP price prediction for 2022 expects the coin to fall to $0.00080 by the end of the year, and show no signs of recovery from that price point. On the other hand, Digital Coin Price has a much more optimistic AMP crypto price prediction. The site suggests an average value of $0.0134 in 2023 and $0.0135 in 2024. In 2025, the coin should be worth around $0.0181. Its AMP price prediction for 2030 estimates it to be worth around $0.0425. The most bullish forecast comes from priceprediction.net. By 2030, price prediction forecasts AMP will reach 28 cents and 40 cents in 2031. The promises of security and speed mean there is plenty of potential for AMP in the crypto space. But for its AMP token to succeed, experts say it will need to continue developing its ecosystem and showcase its practical uses.